This is just a quick video on how to check your data on the UCloud platform or edit some of the data if you wish to do edits inside the UCloud platform. Once you've completed a transcription, you should be able to navigate to the files just by clicking on the files bar, or if you would like to actually open and edit the files, you'll need to open a new instance of an application to do that. On UCloud is installed or is available the LibreOffice package as an application. So if you just search for Libre, go to applications, and then click on it, you'll see you are presented with the same type of application interface as before. You can just give this a name, and we call this post-processing of Whisper transcription output. Select a machine type. This is very lightweight work, so you can do it with the smallest machine available. And you'll then need to select the folder where your output is saved. You click on the blue Use or Add Folder button, and it opens up this toggle just beneath, where you can then click where it says No Directory Selected and choose a selection, or choose your directory that you would like to use. In this case, I'll just use this Whisper Outputs folder. And that Whisper output folder contains the outputs of one of the runs that I've done for an example. If you click on that, it adds the folder to that selection, and you can just submit the job. And much the same as with running the transcription, UCloud then allocates the resources and starts up the LibreOffice package on that virtual machine that you're trying to run. Once that application begins running, you'll see it allocates the resources, and you can see down at the bottom in the terminal output, you can see there's a bunch of stuff that's happened. You can then click the Open Interface button in the top right corner, and once you've done that, you get the LibreOffice packages all available down in the bottom left corner of your screen. You can see there is the LibreOffice Writer or Word Processor, Calc, which is essentially Excel, and then presentations, etc. I'll just open Calc, and inside Calc, I'm going to just open the CSV file. Got tips, we'll just say File, Open, and then in Whisper Outputs, you'll see there are a number of files that are available, and of course the CSV file is the one that makes the most sense in this case. I'm going to open it. I'll allow it with UTF-8 encoding, or Unicode encoding with UTF-8, and it is comma separated, so there's not much that needs to be changed, and I'll just hit the OK. And it says the file is read-only, open read-only, that's fine. And you can see that now you can edit this document and save a new CSV or save a new Excel file afterwards. Each of these cells contains the information you might want to use. This option is very useful if you'd like to post-process your data and use some of the model information or data about the start and end times and so on in some kind of machine learning pipeline. I'm just going to close Excel, or at least Calc, in this window, and instead open up the word processor down in the bottom left corner, the blue one, called Writer. And in Writer, we can just click the File Open button, and from there you can open the MS Word document, which is in fact an open XLM document, which is perfect for working in LibreOffice. So you can see it. It's basically a Word document, and this can be edited in this format and then saved. Something you must be aware of is that if you work on a document, an individual document, out of your list of files, it is not going to update any of the other files. So just to go back to that folder in a moment, you'll see that none of the other files have been edited after we've edited, say, the CSV file. So whatever format you edit, that's the one that you need to use in your post-processing. Of course, it seems straightforward, but just a point to be aware of. Once you've finished editing, you can just click Stop Application in that button. You hold your mouse down and it stops the application. And you can go back to your files, member files, and inside that Whisper Audio folder, and that CSV file would have been edited, or most recently edited now, if I had saved it, or else this docx file. So that's a simple way to edit your files. There are other options such as Coda, but this is for just introductory editing and checking your files on the UCloud platform.